Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about how to use get and take in everyday English. Episode 63 today.
Great. Hello, Zoe. Today, we will talk about two small words that cause big questions: get and take.
Yes, many students ask, when do I use get? When do I use take? We will make it simple. We will use short sentences and some longer ones too. We will tell stories. We will laugh a little. And by the end, you will feel more confident.
First, a quick map. Both words can mean many things. Sometimes they both work. Sometimes only one is natural. We will look at common uses, then examples, then practice. Simple, slow, friendly.
Okay, let's start with get. Get often means receive, or become, or arrive, or buy. For example, I got a letter. Receive. I got tired. Become. I got to the station. Arrive. I got some coffee. Buy or obtain.
Good. Short examples help. I got a present. You received it. I got hungry. You became hungry. I got there at 9. You arrived. I got a coffee from the shop. You bought coffee.
Now, take. Take often means pick up or move something, or use or accept responsibility. For example, take a pen, pick it up. Take a picture, use camera. Take the bus, use the bus. Take care, be careful or accept responsibility for care.
Here's a simple rule to remember. Use take when you are doing an action with something, often moving or using it. Use get when something comes to you, or you change state, or you obtain something.
Yes, but there are many expressions we must memorize. English loves phrases, like take a shower. Americans usually say this, not get a shower, but they can say get clean or get a wash in some places. Little differences matter.
I remember once I said to my American friend, I will get a shower. She laughed and said, we say take a shower. It was a small moment. I felt a bit silly, but then I learned, and now I remember.
Same here. I used to say I will get a photo, which sounds okay, but we usually say take a photo or take a picture. When you use the camera, you take a photo. When someone gives you a photo, you get a photo.
Another pair, take notes versus get notes. Which is correct? You take notes when you write them during a class. If your friend sends you the notes later, you get the notes.
Perfect. Practice that. Teacher, please take notes. Friend, I got your notes by email. Clear difference.
Now, get for becoming. Get married, get ready, get sick, get angry. I got married last year. She gets ready at 7. We got sick after the trip. These are common.
And take for time. It takes 2 hours. We use take to say how long something needs. It takes me 30 minutes to get to work. Note, we used both words here. Nice.
Good point. It takes plus time tells duration. I took an hour to finish. I got home in an hour. Both can be used, but with slightly different meaning. I took 1 hour to finish. The action needed 1 hour. I got home in an hour. You arrived in that time.
Let's do some real-life short dialogues. These help beginners. Short and slow.
Short dialogue 1. How did you get to school? I took the bus. It's fast.
Dialogue 2. Did you get the email? Yes, I got it this morning.
Dialogue 3. Will you take a photo of us? Sure, I'll take one now.
Dialogue 4. Are you ready? Almost. I'm getting ready. 1 more minute.
These little dialogues show common uses. Try saying them out loud. Repeat, slow and clear.
Now, some tricky cases where both words sometimes work. Example, get dressed versus take off clothes. You get dressed when you put on clothes. You take off clothes to remove them. Opposite actions.
Another tricky pair. Get on the bus versus take the bus. Americans say both. I get on the bus means the moment you step onto it. I take the bus means you use it as transportation. So, I got on the bus at 8, moment. I take the bus every day, habit.
Yes. Also, get in the car versus take the car. Get in is to enter. Take the car means to use it as transport. Small difference.
Let's talk about phrasal verbs with get and take. Many beginner students find phrasal verbs hard, but we will learn a few common ones.
With get up, wake up, get along, have a good relationship, get over, recover, get away, escape or go on holiday, get by, manage. Examples: I get up at 7. They get along well. She got over the flu. We will get away next week. I can get by with little money.
With take off, plane leaves, take up, start a hobby, take back, return something or admit wrong, take over, control, take after, look like family member. Examples: the plane took off. I took up yoga. Can I take this back? He took over the company. She takes after her mom.
Notice how these phrases are common. Learn them one by one. Repeat them in sentences. Real practice helps.
Now I will tell a little story, a personal story, about a bus and a camera. Short and simple. This helps learners connect.
Yes, please. Personal stories are great.
Last summer, I went to a small town. I took the train there. While I was there, I got a small camera in a shop. My friend said, "Take a photo of the river." I did. Later, I showed the photos. I got many likes on social media. I felt happy. The story uses both words. I took the train, I got a camera, I took a photo, I got likes.
That story is warm. Now, my short story. I once got lost in a market. I asked for help. A kind woman helped me. She said, "Take my hand." She took me to the right street. Later, I got a map. I learned to always take a photo of the map on my phone. Small things like this teach us the language and life lessons.
Lovely. Those small human moments help you remember words.
Now, practice time. I will give 5 sentences. Pause after each and say them out loud. Ready?
Sentence 1. I got a new job yesterday. Pause. Sentence 2. I take a shower every morning. Pause. Sentence 3. She got sick after the trip. Pause. Sentence 4. They took my advice and felt better. Pause. Sentence 5. How did you get to the party? Pause. Answer: I took a taxi.
Good practice. Speak slowly. Repeat until you feel natural. Now some helpful tips to remember. 1. Memorize common collocations, words that go together. Take a photo, take a seat, take a break, take a test. Get a job, get a letter, get ready, get tired.
2. Use take when you actively use or move something. Use get when you receive, become, or arrive. 3. Learn phrasal verbs slowly. Get up, get over, take off, take up. 5. Listen to native speakers and imitate phrases, not just single words.
Another tip. When you're not sure, think about action versus change. Action, take. Change, receive, get. It works most of the time.
Okay, before we finish, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. Your support helps us make more lessons. Thank you.
Yes, please subscribe and share, and leave a comment. Tell us, which sentence was the most helpful? Do you want more practice with get and take? We will make another episode.
Okay, a quick mini quiz. I will say a sentence with a blank, and you choose get or take. Say your answer out loud. 1. I blank a taxi to the airport. Take. 2. She blank a photo of the sunset. Take. 3. He blank the job last week. Got. 4. We blank home at 10 p.m. Got. 5. Please blank a seat. Take.
Answers were 1, take, 2, take, 3, got, 4, got, 5, take. Simple little quiz to check your understanding.
Final reflection. Learning small words like get and take is about noticing patterns. It's about listening and practicing. Mistakes are okay. I made many. They helped me learn.
Yes, language is practice. Speak with friends, read simple texts, watch short videos, and try to use get and take in your own sentences. You will improve.
Thank you everyone for listening to episode 63. We hope you enjoyed our talk about how to use get and take in everyday English. Remember to practice. Be patient with yourself. Small steps every day.
Bye, everyone. Take care, get some rest, and see you in the next episode.
Goodbye. And one more time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It helps us a lot. Bye.